A woman suspected of shoplifting is surrounded by cops, but what they did next will surprise you. It happened at a Whole Foods market in Manhattan. The woman was stopped by store security for allegedly putting items in her purse. But when cops got there, they didn't arrest her. What they did do is now making national headlines.
We approached her. I asked her what's going on. She told me she was hungry. So I looked in her bag, and we decided to say, we'll pay for her food.
The woman burst into tears.
She was extremely emotional. She couldn't speak. She just looked at me and said, thank you.
The three cops, Michael Rivera, Lieutenant Louis Soho, and Snidey Cuevas, pooled $30.
When you look at someone's face and you notice they're actually hungry, it's pretty difficult as a human being to walk away from something like that.
Social media is lighting up. These officers blessed a family and a community. Three cops proving to everyone why they're called New York's finest.
We're extremely humbled by this.